Hi, welcome to another video of Eagle Eyes. So today we're going to tell you why is it important to have your car lights regularly checked. Example, tail lamps. So here is how we're going to check the tail light. First, you turn on and you walk to the back to see. Then we're going to check the brake lamp. Maybe for you to see from the video is easy because the light is blinking when I'm stepping there. So for those who don't have friends to help them check the brake of the tail lights, it's easy. You can see it from the back of the wall. So if the light is blinking and you can see the light from this distance, it's all good. Your brake is working, the light. Okay, so the signal of the back lamp is working for the left hand side, for the right hand side it's also working. Okay, so our reverse light is on. Every light is okay now. So here we already done all the headlamp, the tail lamp and all the car lights checking done. So if next time you found out any bulbs are not working or any bulbs are not functioning, you are welcome to visit us at Eagle Eyes, JohorBahru. We are having a free light checking campaign right now. Feel free to visit us. So for the next video, we're gonna get you through how to get your light adjustment and your light calibration checked easily. It's simple. Stay tuned to us on Facebook, right?